Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your landing page conversion for LinkedIn ads with Unbounce. Complete guide step by step clearly. Verify your landing page conversion for LinkedIn ads using Unbounce in a few straightforward steps. Start by logging into your Unbounce account. Create a new landing page or select an existing one that is linked to your LinkedIn ads. Ensure that your landing page is fully designed and all elements are functional. Next, navigate to the Conversions section in the Unbounce dashboard. Here, you will find options to set up conversion tracking for your landing page. Choose the conversion type that aligns with your goals, such as form submissions or button clicks. For form submissions, make sure your form is correctly configured and integrated. If you're tracking button clicks, ensure your buttons are set to trigger conversion events. After selecting the conversion type, proceed to create a conversion goal. Assign a name to this goal for easy identification. Set your conversion value if applicable, especially for sales or lead generation. Save your goal settings to apply them. Now, link your Unbounce landing page to your LinkedIn ad campaign. Go to your LinkedIn Ads Manager and select the campaign you want to modify. Find the option to add a destination URL and insert your Unbounce landing page link. Return to the Unbounce dashboard and click on Preview to test your setup. Once you've verified everything works as intended, go back to LinkedIn Ads Manager. Launch your campaign and monitor real-time performance. Use Unbounce Analytics to track conversion rates from LinkedIn traffic. Regularly assess the data to optimize your landing page for improved conversions. Adjust elements based on performance, such as headlines, images, or CTAs. Repeat the testing process after making any changes to ensure effectiveness. By following these steps, you can effectively verify and enhance your landing page conversion for LinkedIn ads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.